How to use the crop tool in CapCut. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, import the video or picture. After you've done that, drag it at the bottom and then click on your video at the bottom. Right click on it and you'll find all these options pop up. Click on edit at the top. Then click on crop ratio. After you've clicked on crop ratio, you will find all these options pop up. What you need to do is resize it how you want, which is basically crop how you want. You can also click on crop ratio at the bottom and select the ratio which you prefer. After you've selected, press on confirm. After you press on confirm, that ratio will be uploaded. If you want to change, you can also add filters by clicking at the top and then selecting any filter you want. If you want to change this ratio, click on ratio at the bottom of the video at the top. Click on ratio and you'll find all the ratios pop up. Select the one you prefer and it will directly shift it to that ratio. And this is how to use the crop tool in CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.